Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Raverge, the Daily Trader. It is February 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir closed up 4 cents, 0.31%, closed at 12.98. Post-market, we are up 4 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. We have a very small bodied candle. We pretty much closed at the same price that we opened. But this is a very slow day. We try to get higher and look at how perfect this touch was for this resistance. So we came up to this resistance and then we were squished down. So this resistance is really still in play. We made a higher low, so this is the good news. We also made a higher high of the day, so this is also good news. But during the day, we were squished. So I don't know if there are many people that want to pay more for this stock for now. Let's go see the 1 hour chart just for fun. First hour of the day, look at this higher volume right here. So some people are buying. So there's some buying pressure during the first hour of the day, but then there's not many people that are there to follow through. But at least we did not go lower than the low of the first hour of the day. So that's a positive. For the indicators on the 1 hour chart, we have stochastic that's almost close to 60. This is showing overall, this move here since February 4th has a little bit of it has some power. Let's put it like this. Is it going to continue or is it going to fail? We are going to have to watch this week to see what happens. In terms of indicators, not much has changed. We only have MACD that's crossed over bullish and everything else is really bearish for now. The stock is going to have to decide soon because we are stuck between, and let me make it a little bit thicker. So we are stuck between 1194 and 1442, starting to know this 1442 resistance by heart. So basically this is where we are at. So we are in a congestion zone. Within that congestion zone, we have this downward resistance that is at play. So at some point, very soon, within several days, the stock is going to have to decide what it does, because it's going to get squeezed between this downward resistance and the support. And which one of these two is going to win? That's the question. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.